Hello, good morning. This is Architect Mahesh Bangad. I'm from Dr. B.N. College of Architecture, Pune, and I'm making this presentation for an international FDP on environment and sustainability, which is hosted by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akodi. My topic largely deals around water and need for water conservation. I want to acknowledge sincerely D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akodi for initiating this international FDP. And a special thanks to Dr. Vinay Kulkarni for his efforts to provide us with the best of resources in our course of learning. This is week 1 video, and in the first week we learned about environment and sustainability as a concept and how each of our activities have an impact on the environment. The following presentation discusses sustainability as a concept, the three spheres of sustainability, and also the policies to promote environmental sustainability. The presentation also talks about drinking water scarcity and the need for its conservation. So what is environmental sustainability? I think it's not a discrete concept, and in our all activities that we do, right from having a bath or eating food or to going to your workplace by using a motor vehicle, we are all relating ourselves to the environment and its sustainability. So sustainability is based on the simple principle that everything that we are in need of for our survival and well-being depends either directly or indirectly on our natural environment. And we are very much responsible for its condition as well as maintenance. Everyone wants a better place to live. Some people want better homes and housing, while some people want better schools and amenities. All of these could be clubbed into three specific groups. One is a better environment, the other is a better economy, and the third is better social conditions. When all these three are in good equal equilibrium, then we can say that we have made good progress. The three spheres of sustainability largely together affect our lives in day-to-day activities and vice versa as well. And it is our responsibility that we become socially responsible towards the environment. To do so, we need to have some policies to promote the environmental sustainability. Environment is not just one location, it's global. Every small thing that we do affects somewhere largely. You know the butterfly effect? That's what. So environmental sustainability also looks at global issues such as the climate change, the use of renewable energy, while also there are some location specific issues like soil erosion, water management, air and water pollution as well. Successful environmental sustainability and global water initiative are in the process of new scientific vision. My presentation and my focus across this FDP is going to remain on provision of clean drinking water stands as a major prerogative of successful sustainable development in developed and developing countries. Also associated with these are policies related to carbon tax, also the carbon footprint, the water footprint, and we are going to discuss about the standards in weeks to come. So the topic I'm going to deal with is water crisis. 30% of the world's population does not have access to clean drinking water, and the number is quite high in India too. Now water crisis has several reasons, but it also has several effects. More so, negative effects on the environment, which is largely our concern, reduction in hydroelectricity energy generation, reduction in agricultural produce, and of course, it affects the public health the most. In our next week, we will look into water crisis majorly and the need to combat it, and also the ISO standards related to water and drinking water main. Thank you.